Hi friends, welcome to Pcs kitchen. Today I show you how to make Goan salted pork Vindaloo. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have with me 10 pieces of Kashmiri chilies and 4 button chilies, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 8 cloves of garlic, small piece of ginger, small ball of tamarind, half teaspoon turmeric haldi powder, half teaspoon jeera cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon khaskhas poppy seeds, 18 pieces peppercorns, 8 pieces of cloves, 2 green cardamon elaichi, 12 tablespoons of coconut vinegar, 250 grams of pork which I have salted overnight and cut into small pieces. Now we'll add all these ingredients into a mixer. Add the vinegar and we will grind this mixture into fine paste. Our grounded masala is ready. Now we will apply it to the pork. Apply it well. We leave the pork to marinate for overnight. Our pork is well marinated for overnight. Here I have 3 medium sized sliced onions, 3 green chili slit, 1 teaspoon sugar, salt as per your taste. Now we'll add all these ingredients into a pan. Mix well. Now we'll cover the pan and cook it for 30 to 35 minutes on medium flame till the pork is tender. You don't need to add any water. Our Vindaloo is done. Now let's plate it up. Our Goan salted pork Vindaloo is ready. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.